What's a lovely brown color and people either love or hate?
Charles Barkley?
I was thinking Nutella.
So we're Oreo with hazelnut chocolate spread Oreos, because we don't really call it Nutella, but you know what we mean. You know what we should do though?
We should open the bag and eat what's inside.
Hi, it's Lee.
Christina.
And Jim.
Here we are with, God forbid, another taste test for Oreos, this time hazelnut chocolate spread, which we all know, even though they don't put it on the pack.
It's Nutella.
Nutella, let's be honest. Unless you've lived under a rock for the last 6-7 years, let's grab a spoon. You've probably tried Nutella in one form or another. I particularly like chocolate hazelnut spread in Ferrero Rocher. So good.
Just do not try the Hershey one because that is...
Oh.
It's nasty?
The flavors are way off.
Really?
It's much more chocolate and much less hazelnut.
Well, for the million people that have never tried this living under a rock for the last 6 years, here we go.
Yeah, that's what I've come to expect.
That's pretty amazing.
Nutty. Flavor a little chocolate. Smooth.
Oh, well.
Heaven.
Alright, so now we know, again, what Nutella tastes like. Liquid heaven. We're going to try the Oreos.
Alright.
Are these thin or regular?
These are regular, and I'm really hoping, because Oreos, as you know if you've seen our playlist, are hit and miss.
I'm hoping you hit.
These better be a hit. How can you f this up, seriously?
I mean, it's pretty much just laid out there for you, just thicken it up.
I mean, you get a couple of golden cookies.
You don't even really have to thicken it up that much.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty solid. That's pretty solid. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I'll be honest with you, there's too much cookie.
Yeah. Oh, you can mess this up.
There's too... No, I mean, the filling's good, but there's too much cookie.
Yeah. I'm getting way too much cookie.
The filling itself is delicious.
I mean,
It's a little sweet.
I agree. I agree. There's way too much cookie. The thin cookies would have been better on this. I think.
Or the chocolate ones. I think the chocolate cookies would have been better.
I'm not even liking that filling.
Really?
Yeah. I'm not getting enough nuttiness.
Okay, now I gotta try it.
You're right, by itself, the filling is too sweet, too coy.
Yeah.
It's not smooth.
It's a little gritty, yeah.
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 The flavor's there.
No, it's not good.
I don't even get the, I don't even get the
I don't
flavor.
like it now.
I get the flavor at the end.
Yeah.
Burnt nut. Burnt nut.
That sounds like a personal issue.
It is.
You know, I gotta tell you, I have to go to about 7 stores to get this.
I'm very
Because it's
disappointed
sold
that you
out.
had to do that.
Me too. Oreo, I want a refund on my petrol.
And it's very expensive.
Oh
It really is.
God.
I gotta say, this is not good. I'm really quite surprised. I was really expecting this to like blow my socks off and be one of the best ones ever. Because, like I said, how can you screw Nutella up? And apparently Oreo did. It's gritty.
It's
It
worse.
does taste a little burnt. You're right. It's too sweet. I mean, literally, take 2 cookies and slap a blob in the middle. How hard would that have been?
I think most people have done that.
Yeah, you can do that yourself. Just get some straight up cookies and do it.
Yeah, save your money. What would be really good, in my opinion, Ritz crackers. Get that salty sweet thing going.
Oh yeah.
And a jar of Nutella, make them your damn self. That's my opinion.
I'm there with you.
Not happy,
No,
Oreo.
Nope.
Not at all.
Your next one, better redeem it. Seriously. Just saying. I'm also just saying, if you've tried these, please put it in the comment section below.
Let us know if we're wrong.
Yeah, we could be totally talking out of our bum, but I don't think we are. I really don't think we
No.
are. They're not real good. But put it in the comment section if you've tried them. Or again, if you see some weird Oreos we haven't got, please put that in the comment section. And if you can see where you can get them from, put a link there as well. Also, like and share this video, we do appreciate that. And links to all our social media are all around the screen on the QR code that you zap with your phone. It'll take you right to the link. So that's it until another Oreo taste test, because I can pretty much guarantee they're going to come out with something else.
I'm sure.
Yeah, and until then, take care, Internet. We'll see you soon.
Adios, geek nuggets.